Here's a key ruling from the Supreme Court that just changed how we understand consumer rights under the Consumer Protection Act. On March 20th, the Supreme Court ruled that to be a consumer under the Consumer Protection Act, you must have a direct contractual relationship with a service provider. In a recent case, the complainant bought a flat, took a loan from ICICI Bank, and then a borrower wanted to buy it. However, they had no direct contact with Citicorp Finance, who was the loan provider to the borrower. The complainant filed a consumer complaint against Citicorp Finance demanding payment of rupees 13.2 lakh, claiming a tripartite agreement was in place. But the Supreme Court disagreed, ruling that without a contract with Citicorp Finance, the complainant could not be considered a consumer under the law. The court found no privity of contract between the complainant and Citicorp Finance. The only agreement was between the buyer and Citicorp Finance. No direct deal meant no consumer rights. In simple terms, the complainant was not a consumer under the Act, and the earlier ruling from the NCDRC was overturned. The Supreme Court ruled that Citicorp Finance was only responsible for paying the amount agreed in the home loan agreement, not more. So the next time you think about consumer rights, remember this ruling. You need a direct contract to qualify as a consumer under the Consumer Protection Act. Follow for more legal updates. If you find the video useful, please like and share. For daily news and legal explainers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.